This batter is so good. Breakfast cookies, cinnamon, all kinds of fruit, super delicious. Your kids are gonna love it and you will too. You can tell the school year has started again. I am looking for quick and easy and healthy ideas for breakfast and on the go. So we're doing a breakfast cookie, we'll call it, and I especially love this because everything can be made in the good old food processor. So I've got my bananas put in there. Baby food consistency is what we're looking for, and I think we got it. So that's good and mixed. Now we're going to add in our flour. So there we go. You can see the batter is looking all well and combined. And now from here, we're gonna add grated coconut. And you can see how finely grated this is. This is unsweetened. And then I have, you can use whatever chopped dried fruit you want. I have apples, raisins, and some apricots, but you can really use whatever kind. None of these are sweetened with sugar, so no added sugars in this recipe. So once you've added the dry fruits in, you don't want to blend it too much. Just a quick pulse or two to get them well combined, but you don't want to chop them up too much more. You want those chunks of the fruit. I think that'll about do it. I'll take a spoon and kind of combine it just a little bit more when I take the blade out too. All right, so now that the batter is well combined, I'm just going to use my trusty scoop here to get even sized cookies. And these cookies are not going to spread out, so however big you place them and however close you have them side by side, they're not going to spread out or go into each other. So just make a nice little pile there, flatten it out a bit so you've got a nicely shaped cookie, and move on to the next guy. All right, so our breakfast cookies are ready to go in the oven, and you know, one of the things I like best about cooking without eggs, I don't feel bad eating the batter. It is so good. All right, here are my breakfast cookies straight out of the oven, and the smell of the cinnamon and the bananas and the apples baking, oh my gosh, my house smells amazing right now. Now these cookies are still warm, but you can see they're soft. They're not a really crispy cookie. These are perfectly great for breakfast, for a snack. Throw them in the lunchbox with the kids or bring one to work with you, and you're not gonna feel guilty about it. There's so much nutrition in these guys.